Text, LG washer.
Troubleshooting an LG top-load washing machine lid not closing or opening.
An overhead view of an LG washer with the clear lid open. Intro.
If your top-load washing machine's lid will not close or will not open, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take that will often resolve the issue. Here's what to do.
Text, washer lid will not close.
If the lid will not close, check it for any visible cracks. A crack might cause difficulty in closing the lid. If the lid is cracked, the unit will require repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page.
On the LG website, navigate to lg.com/us/support/repair.
Also look for trapped clothes, dirt, or foreign material in between the lid and the washer. Remove any obstructions. If no obstructions are visible, the unit will require repair service.
Text, washer lid will not open.
Your LG top-load washing machine was designed with a safety locking feature to protect you and your home from any injury or damage. The washer is equipped with a sensor that detects washer operation, water level, and water temperature. As a safety measure, the washer's lid locks automatically once the start button is pressed.
On the operations panel, press the Hold to Start touch-sensitive button to the right of the steam cycle dial.
The washer lid will also remain locked if the water level is too high or the water temperature is too hot. If the washer's lid is locked due to high water level, run a spin-only cycle to drain the water out of the unit. Or if the water temperature is too hot, simply wait for the washer to cool down and the door will unlock. Lastly, check if there was a recent power outage. If a power outage occurred while the washer was running, the door will remain locked for the next 3 to 5 minutes. If you have checked all these steps and the washer lid is still having the problem, the unit will require repair service.
Text, more info.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Navigate to lg.com/us/support. Disclaimer provisions. Text, copyright 2022, LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.